Hello there,
I'm Mark Sander L. de Los Angeles.
and I'm Slinch M. D. Guzman.
Today
Today we're
we're
going
going
to
to
talk
talk
about
about
the
the
Pythagorean
Pythagorean
Theorem
Theorem
and
and
how
how
it's
it's done.
done.
But before that, we're going to discuss about the history of the Pythagorean Theorem. The founder of the Pythagorean Theorem is Pythagoras. He was born in ancient Greece around 570 BCE. He traveled to Egypt and studied astronomy, philosophy, and geometry. At age 55, he returned to Greece and established a school. He is also the founder of a secret group that worship numbers, and he was the one who discovered the Pythagorean Theorem. In a right triangle, the sum of the squares of the leg is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Therefore, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A, a side and b side are the legs, and c side is the hypotenuse. And, and is also known as the longest side of the right triangle. Hypotenuse is located at the opposite side of the right angle.
Now let's explain the parts of the right triangle. Let's say we have a right triangle here, and this angle is 90 degrees. But the exact opposite of it is the hypotenuse. And to make it a right triangle, we must have at least one side that is right angle. We have the side A and side B. Therefore, the sum is a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared, and the c is the hypotenuse. To prove that this equation is correct, I will provide you with some examples. Let's say side A is 3, and side B is 4, and we're looking for the hypotenuse, right? So how do we find it? Well, we go for the exact formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now let's start. 4 squared plus 3 squared is equals to c squared equals, we multiply them. 4 multiplied by 4, close open parenthesis, plus 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to c squared equals, now we got the multiply, let's say 16 plus 9 is equals to c squared equals 25 is equals to c squared. Now we find their square root. And the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of c squared is c. Now that we found the hypotenuse, let's put them here.
For another set of problem, side A is 4 squared plus 2 squared is equal to c squared. Now we do the exponents of 4 squared and 2 squared. 4 squared is equal to 16 plus 2 squared is equal to 4 and is equal to c squared. Now we add 16 and 4, which is equal to 20 is equal to c squared. Now we square root both of them. We square root 20 by breaking it down. 20 can be break down by 2 and 10. 10 can be break down by 5 and 2. Now you get 2, 5 and the two twos and 5 here. 2 times 2 times 5. Then you multiply the both twos, which is equals to 4, and square root by 5. You can still break down 4 by 2 and 2. So the answer in here is 2 square root of 5 is equals to C. This is the hypotenuse, so we'll put it here. For another set of problems, side A is the one missing. And we're gonna solve it. Like the other set of problem, a squared plus 3 squared equals to 12 squared. And then a squared plus 9 squared is equals to 144. The answer is like that because we did the exponents. Then we subtract 9 to itself, it, which is the answer is 0, and 9 to 144, which is 135. So a squared is equals to 135 square root. Then we break down 135 square root, which is 5 and 27. 27 can be broken by 3 and 9. 9 can be broken down by 3 and 3. Then we write it down here, which is 5 times 3 times 3 times 3. Then we multiply 5 and 3, which is 15. Then 3 and 3, which is 9. Then we add square root to them. Then the 9 is a perfect square, which means we put 9 outside. Then square root of 15. So side A is equals to g square root of 15. Then we put g square root of 15 here. Of 15. Now for the next set of examples, the side B is missing. We're going to solve it now. First, we need to put 6 squared, which is a squared, plus the missing number, which is side B, which is b squared, which is equal to 12 squared, which is the hypotenuse. Then we do the exponents. 6 squared is equals to 36 plus b squared is equals to 144. It is 144 because we did the exponent at the 12 squared also. Then we subtract 36 by 36. We cancel it because the answer is 0. And 36 minus 44, which is 108. Then b squared is equals to 108. And then we square root 108. 108 square root. Then we break down 108. With 108 can be break down by 2 and 54. 54 can be break down by 2 and 27. 27 can be break down by 3 and 9. 9 can be break down by 3 and 3. Then we put 2, the 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 3 and 3. We do the square root again. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Then we multiply the both 2's and the answer is 4. Then the both 3's, which is 9. Then we multiply 4 and 9, which is 36. Then 36 will be square root, and the 3 will be bring down beside 36. Then the 36 can be break down by 6 and 6. But we put 6 outside and 3 inside. So b is equals to 6 square root of 3. Then we put 6 square root of 3 here. 6 square root.
Once again, I'm Slinch Cinch.
And I'm Mark Sander. And this is all about the Pythagorean Theorem and how it's done. Thanks for watching.
I really appreciate it.